just might got me a chain. Let them boys keep the change, cause that's how I'm feeling today. That's how I'm feeling today.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. That was so ugly. I've been gone for a month and I still don't know how to film an intro. That's crazy. Anyways, so in today's video, I have come to you with my natural hair looking how it's looking. It's been a year now since I've done my how I style my TWA, teeny weeny afro hair, and I'm not gonna put it here. Let's scratch that. I'm going to put the link in the description box because that video actually did get some love. So, and I don't know how. I just did nonsense, but you guys liked it, so I thought I should just come back, you know, a year later. I was supposed to really check in with you guys with my hair journey, but I haven't really been doing much to it, to be honest. I just braid it, keep it in a wig, and it grew. So I don't know what to tell you guys. That's literally all I've been doing. It's grown pretty, I think it's grew a lot, considering the fact that I cut it really short. It's down here now and we have the length and we are getting there. So it's a lot of shrinkage. My hair does shrink badly, but I am able now to stretch it and put it in a ponytail. So that's what we're going to do today. I am going to show you an updated natural how to do your hair video. So let's just get started. First, I like to stretch out my hair as much as possible because it's going to make it easier to put my hair in a ponytail. So what I use is water and my favorite leave-in conditioner. You can use your favorite leave-in conditioner. You don't have to be like me, but if you want to be like me, I use the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. But again, you don't have to be like me. So basically I'm just spraying it and stretching it, and that's how I stretch out my hair. I don't add heat or nothing. I just spray and stretch, spray and stretch.
On the beat is being crafted.
Yes. So this is pretty much my hair kind of stretched. So of course I can stretch it even further with the blow dryer and all that, but I'm trying to not put heat onto my hair. I haven't put any form of heat, whether it be a blow dryer or a curling iron or a flat iron. I haven't done any of that to my hair for a year, so I'm trying to keep it up. So I'm not gonna blow dry it or anything like that. So now I'm gonna take my comb and further stretch it out. So how I like to stretch out my hair with my comb is I take the comb, right? Take my hair and I just tug at the ends, and that's going to stretch it out even further. You see that? You see how it's stretched out compared to the rest of the hair? So I'm just going to do that for, sometimes you end up combing through it, but don't comb all the way through it. Just stretch out the, what is this called? I don't know, the middle part. Just stretch that out. Don't comb all the way through it, because then you're going to comb through your curls and then it's not going to be a cute little curly ponytail anymore. So, and I just do that on the perimeters of my hair and dead in the center. So I know that kind of sounds like all of it, but no. I just do the perimeters in the dead center. So right now, you should look like a poodle. Alright, so now the fun part. So you're just gonna comb your hair up. You guys know how to do a ponytail, what the heck? So now I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel though, and I'm just gonna I literally slap this on. I slap it on. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I just do it at the perimeter of it. And this just really helps it slick down. And guys, I don't know, I feel like Eco Styler gel is really good for my hair, and it's also really good for my pockets too because it's cheap. So, wow. When I tell you that is a work, my arms are killing me. Give me a second. Okay, so normally I just leave it like this. Today I am going to add some hair in because why not? The first thing I like to do is comb out the curls because they're so defined and I want it to match my curl pattern, and my curl pattern is a little bit more frizzier.
On the beat is being crafted.
I like to go up, no particular order, I just cover up my bun. Now I'm going to do my edges and yeah. Alrighty, I didn't want to like really go ham on my edges like I normally do because I was afraid to mess up my makeup. So now I am going to take some hair out because that's what I always do. I'm also going to take some out here, take some out back here. So I'm just gonna like wait for this to just, you know, do what it has to do to my edges. Make sure everything is laying, sitting. Just nobody has time to wait. We don't have time to wait, sis. Alright, so let's pull them out. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just something super simple and easy to fool all those people and say, hey, my hair has grown and I could put it in a bun. Like, in reality, it hasn't grown yet. But we are going to get at this stage where we don't have to put in fake buns, okay? So I really hope you guys will like this. If you guys want to see more natural hair type of videos, then please let me know. Getting so much Nicki vibes. Guys, I'm feeling a song coming along. I'm feeling a song.
Look like I'm going for a swim. Dunk on him now, swinging off the rim. Bitch ain't coming off the bench while I'm coming off the court fully drenched. Here goes some haterade, get your thirst quenched. But gang got the hammer and the wrench. I pull up in that $250,000 off the lot. Oh, now she trying to be friends like I forgot. Show off my diamonds like